Hi, everybody. I'm Debbie Calixto, and with over 20 years of mortgage lending experience, I'm here to walk you through the ins and outs of the 1003 loan application form. I'm also going to explain its importance in the home buying process. The Mortgage 1003 form, also known as the Uniform Residential Loan Application or URLA, is an essential document in the home loan application process. The URLA form standardizes the collection of borrower information, ensuring consistency and accuracy across the mortgage industry. It serves as the primary means by which lenders gather crucial data on a borrower's financial status, employment history, and other pertinent details necessary to assess their creditworthiness. Using the URLA is vital for several reasons. First, it allows lenders to evaluate a borrower's ability to repay the loan by providing a comprehensive snapshot of their financial situation. The form includes sections for personal information, employment, and income details, assets and liabilities, and other disclosures. This thorough documentation helps lenders make informed decisions and facilitates the underwriting process. Additionally, the standardized nature of the form simplifies the application process for both borrowers and lenders, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring that all necessary information is collected in a uniform manner. Ultimately, the URLA form plays a crucial role in the efficient and transparent evaluation of mortgage applications, benefiting all parties involved in the lending process. Let's now look at the form itself, beginning with borrower information submission. This part is all about capturing essential personal details. Start by filling in your full legal name you would want on the final documents. Provide your social security number, a crucial identifier used for credit checks and other verification. You'll also need to enter your date of birth, which helps verify your identity and age. Finally, indicate your citizenship status, whether you're a U.S. citizen, a permanent resident alien, or a non-permanent resident alien. Citizenship information is essential on the URLA form, as it helps lenders determine your eligibility for a mortgage and ensures compliance with legal regulations. Non-citizens may need to provide additional documentation, such as valid visas or green cards, to prove their residency status. This can affect the loan options available, with permanent residents generally having more choices compared to non-permanent residents. Lenders must verify your legal right to live and work in the U.S., and while they cannot discriminate based on national origin, they can consider immigration status as part of the loan approval process. Next, let's look at the type of loan and whether you're applying individually or with someone else. On the URLA form, you'll need to specify if the application is for an individual loan or a joint loan with a co-borrower. If you're applying alone, simply check the box for individual. However, if you're applying with another person, such as a spouse or partner or other cosigner, you'll check joint. This is important because both applicants will be equally responsible for the loan, and their combined financial information will be evaluated. Let's move on to the next part of the URLA form, marital status and dependents. In this section, you'll need to specify your marital status by selecting one of the options provided: married, separated, or unmarried. Your marital status can impact your financial profile and may influence the lender's assessment of your application. Next, you'll need to provide information about your dependents. This includes listing the number of dependents you have and their ages. Dependents are usually defined as children or other individuals who rely on you financially. This information helps lenders understand your financial responsibilities and evaluate your overall ability to manage the mortgage payments. In the contact information section, provide your home, cell, and work phone numbers, along with your email address. This ensures the lender can reach you easily for important updates and communication. Next, let's fill out the current address section of the URLA form. Here, you'll need to provide your complete address, including the street name, city, state, and zip code. Additionally, indicate how long you've lived at this address. It's also important to specify whether you rent or own your home. If you don't have a primary housing expense, make sure to note that as well. Providing this information helps the lender assess your stability and housing history, which are crucial factors in evaluating your loan application. Please note that a 2-year address history is required. If your current mailing address is different from your current residence, make sure to provide that information as well. This ensures that all correspondence related to your loan application is sent to the correct location. Now let's move on to the current employment, self-employment, and income section of the URLA form. Here, you'll need to provide details about your current job or self-employment. Start with the name of your employer or your business, followed by the address, including street, city, state, and zip code. Indicate your job title and the type of business or profession you are in. It's important to specify how long you've been with your current employer or running your business, as this information helps assess your job stability. Much like the address history, a 2-year employment history is also required. Next, you'll need to provide your monthly income before taxes, also known as your gross monthly income. This should include your base pay, as well as any additional income, such as bonuses, overtime, or commissions. If you have multiple sources of income, be sure to list all of them. Additionally, if you own any share of the business, mention your ownership percentage. For self-employed borrowers, your net taxable income is used for qualifying. It's also important to state if you are employed by anyone involved in the lending process, as this could be a conflict of interest and needs to be disclosed. Providing accurate employment and income information is crucial for determining your ability to repay the loan and helps the lender get a clear picture of your financial health. Now we reach the final part of page 2 of the URLA form. In this section, you have the option of listing any other sources of additional income. This income can be derived from multiple sources, such as through alimony, child support, disability, and even VA compensation. As described on the form, this source of income is optional and only necessary if you wish it to be used for consideration in your loan determination. With this section complete, we have reached the end of page 2. Join me in my next video, where we will continue on to page 3 of the URLA form, where we will dive deeper into your financial information and beyond.